Welcome back, everyone. Deep in the forests and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa lives one of the insect world's most intimidating predators, the African giant assassin bug, often called the Horrid King assassin bug. Belonging to the species Platymeris Rhadamanthus, this striking black and white hunter is famous for its bold warning colors, painful defensive spray, and ruthless ambush tactics, despite its fearsome name. This insect has become a favorite among exotic invertebrate keepers because of its dramatic appearance and fascinating behavior. The African giant assassin bug was scientifically described in 1837 by German entomologist Hermann Burmeister, a zoologist known for his work on insects and arthropods. But few were as visually unforgettable as this heavily armored predator. In the wild, Horrid King assassin bugs are found across parts of eastern and southern Africa, including countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and Mozambique. They thrive in warm, dry to moderately humid habitats such as scrublands, woodland edges, and grasslands where prey is abundant. They often hide beneath bark, rocks, or debris during the day and become more active when hunting opportunities arise. At first glance, this insect looks almost unreal, a form of aposematic coloration that warns predators they are dangerous. Their long proboscis or rostrum is their primary weapon, a needle-like mouthpart capable of piercing prey and injecting powerful digestive venom. Behaviorally, these insects are ambush predators. Once a cricket, roach, or other insect gets too close, the assassin bug lunges, stabs, and injects enzymes that liquefy internal tissues. It then drinks the dissolved contents like a living smoothie. This feeding style is efficient, brutal, and perfectly evolved. One of the most unique defensive behaviors of Platymeris rhadamanthus is its ability to spray venom. If threatened, it can accurately eject a painful chemical spray toward the eyes of predators or careless keepers. This spray can cause intense burning and temporary irritation, making eye protection and careful handling essential. This defense is one reason they are admired, but respected. Unlike many insects, African giant assassin bugs can display surprisingly bold personalities. Some are highly reactive and defensive, while others become predictable in feeding routines. They use vibration and movement to detect prey, and often raise their forelegs in a threat posture when disturbed. Their confidence and aggression make them seem almost scorpion-like. Identification is fairly straightforward. The Horrid King is recognized by its glossy black body, symmetrical white wing markings, orange banding in some nymph stages, and elongated piercing rostrum. Nymphs are especially colorful, often displaying red, orange, or spotted patterns before maturing into their iconic adult form. Their segmented antennae and strong legs also distinguish them from other true bugs. Their life cycle begins with eggs laid in hidden, secure locations. After hatching, nymphs molt several times, gradually increasing in size while becoming more predatory with each stage. Given proper feeding and warmth, they can mature within several months. Adults may live over a year, sometimes longer in ideal captive conditions. In the ecosystem, these bugs are beneficial predators that help control populations of other insects. They feed on crickets, roaches, beetles, and even other predatory arthropods. As both hunters and prey, they occupy an important ecological role, balancing insect communities in their native habitats. Keeping Horrid King assassin bugs in captivity is relatively simple, making them excellent for intermediate insect enthusiasts. A secure, well-ventilated enclosure around 5 to 10 gallons works well for a pair or small group, though caution is advised because cannibalism can occur. Vertical bark, cork flats, and hiding spaces replicate their natural environment. For substrate, use coconut fiber, peat, or a dry bioactive mix kept mostly dry with occasional light misting. Temperatures between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit are ideal, with moderate humidity around 50 to 70%. Good airflow is critical to prevent mold and stress. Feeding is easy. Offer crickets, dubia roaches, red runners, or other appropriately sized insects once or twice weekly. They are voracious eaters and often display dramatic hunting sequences. Avoid overfeeding and always remove uneaten prey if it poses a molting risk. Handling should be avoided unless absolutely necessary. While they do not seek out humans, their bite is reportedly very painful, and their venom spray can be dangerous if it contacts the eyes. Use soft forceps, deli cups, or transfer containers instead of direct contact. Breeding in captivity is possible when adults are well fed and maintained in warm conditions. Females lay eggs in concealed areas, and nymphs should often be separated early to reduce cannibalism. Raising nymphs individually increases survival rates and allows hobbyists to observe each molt. While they may look like solitary killing machines, horrid king assassin bugs also display surprising reproductive behaviors. During mating, males cautiously approach females to avoid becoming mistaken for prey. Once eggs are laid in hidden crevices or substrate, the next generation begins as brightly colored nymphsteini, but already equipped with predatory instincts. The Horrid King African giant assassin bug is a perfect blend of beauty, danger, and evolutionary precision. From its discovery in the 1800s to modern terrariums, this species continues to fascinate collectors and entomologists alike. For those willing to respect its defenses and provide proper care, Platymeris Rhadamanthus offers a glimpse into one of nature's most efficient miniature predators. From the dry forests of Africa to bioactive terrariums around the world, the Horrid King African giant assassin bug stands as one of nature's most extraordinary insect predators. Armed with venom, precision, and bold warning colors, Platymeris Rhadamanthus has earned its fearsome reputation through millions of years of evolution. Whether you admire them for their hunting skills, defensive spray, or striking appearance, one thing is certain: this species proves that even in the insect world, true kings exist. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Africa's most fascinating arthropods, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible creatures from the wild, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next adventure.